Utuko wa gukia umuthi niguo njanjo makiria ma 400 ikinyire guku bururi-ini ici ari gatagati-ini ka njanjo 817 iria bururi wa Ngeretha uheanite guku bururi-ini. Njanjo ici ciukite oriri bururi uthiite na mbere na kunyitithia thinga mihang'o ya uthecani wa njanjo kuri ya Kenya. Ndagitari Patrick Amoth akiuga Kenya ni mareyumiria na njira nene gukorwo makiamukira njanjo.
Particularly a major boost coming at a time when the country was experiencing and continues to experience a high demand for vaccination.
Gukinyanĩria na riu bururi wa Kenya uthecanite njanjo makiria ma mirioni 2.1 a Kenya mirioni 1.2 makiamukira njanjo ya mbere na Kenya makiria ma 750 makiamukira njanjo cieri.
We are targeting to vaccinate 10 million people by December this year and 26 million people by June 2022. So this and further consignments of vaccines which will be in the pipeline will be able to boost our capacity to ensure protection for more Kenyans.
Muthi wa mwambiririo wa kiumia giukite njanjo 390 muthemba wa Johnson & Johnson na njanjo mirioni 1.7 muthemba wa Moderna ni itanyitwo gukinya guku bururi-ini ari rita ria mbere bururi kwamukira njanjo mithemba ingi.
To the pipeline, and our appeal to Kenyans is please go out, register through the njanjo platform, go out when your time comes to be vaccinated so that you can be able to protect your family, protect your loved ones, and also ensure protection of our entire community.
Because it's very simple. Vaccines save lives. This COVID vaccine saves lives and it prevents serious illness.
Mabũrũri matiganite thĩ yothe no maguthie na mbere na gutamburukia guoko kwa uteithio wa njanjo kuri bũrũri wa Kenya, bũrũri wa Canada na America makiranira kuheana njanjo muthemba wa Pfizer iria igakinya guku bũrũri-ini mweri ukite.
Other friendly governments, including the government of Japan, which is going to donate ultra cold chain equipment for us to be able to deploy the Pfizer vaccine. Again, UPS from the United States of America will also give us additional ultra cold chain equipment.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV returoko ni Wanjiru wa Foro.